Look at all these trees.
Bow, bow, bow.
Dun, dun, dun. Ambulance! I love you! I don't know, I need to take a video. There's a lot of trash.
There's Michael Jackson's ghost.
Where? Go that way. No.
There's more Michael Jackson's ghost.
Whoa.
40.
Ah! Smells like smoke. Whenever you stick your head out the window, it smells like smoke.
Hey, no.
What?
Hey, can you turn left? Oh, I wanted to show you the house that blew up from the meth lab.
No wonder I smell something.
Yeah. It was a bad one in the shotgun.
Where?
We already passed it.
Oh. I want to see some.
But it was bad. A huge one-story house. It was big. And the meth lab was it was a huge one-story house, and then beside it was the meth lab, and beside that meth lab was another house.
Whoa!
Was another small house. Well, I guess he has.
That was awesome.
And the meth lab blew up, and it caught both of those houses on fire. All three of them.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Look at my beautiful hair. What baseball fields? Oh, let's go. Ow! I just got hit by a raindrop or something. Oh man, I just got hit right in my eye. Oh. Oh! Boop. That kind of hurt. Oh, I'm not. I'm videotaping it.
Well, it's still your phone.
Stop videotaping it.
I want to get the damage eyes. I don't want to. Ooh, pretty. Whoa.
Ooh, you're so stupid.
Oh, this stuff is okay. Oh, pizza, that's okay.
Terrell, my old school's gone forever.
Look at that stuff.
Well, they gotta spend some money on this, so what are they gonna do about the election thing? Or the bond?
There's
They're gonna have to pay for all this stuff. To fix all that on Morton Street.
Well, I get that. Otherwise.
Where's that at? There's a big old tree down there. You can't see it. I wish I had a video camera.
All the trash all over the road.
Oh, was there a tornado down here? No.
Haley, are you still there? You got off the quiet.
That's Haley. What do you expect? Oh, just bored. Going down Wooded Street.
Sound, baby.
I think that there was a. I think that there was a backstop to fill.
Stop talking to your phone, because you're a loser.
Say hi. Oh, whatever. Okay. Lights are out, and almost everybody are passed. Oh, the football field's okay. Oh, look at that beautiful car. Ooh.
I get the other beautiful car, but it was a white one. Fire truck!
Look at you stuck. Stop! Is it still raining?
Church. Look at our lovely, ugly church.
Okay, it is. Okay.
Denison, more Denison.
Oh, my head.
A house. More houses. No, I'm just kidding. That's a barbecue.
Well, there's a lot of damage going on over here. A lot of tree limbs down. But it's not as bad as Morton Street. Haley. I'm almost videotaping for 5 minutes.
That's cool. He needed a videotape forever.
Dun, 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 dun. What are you laughing about? Oh, shut up. Dun. She hates getting videotaped. Okay. I won't put it on Facebook. Oh, I will. Oh, you won't, Mom? No. Say hi to the camera.
Stop it.
That was Zach.
You don't like being videotaped? What's so bad about that?
No, car. Oh, big old tree. Whoa, big old tree. Oh, look at all this damage they have over here. Huh? What? Never now.
You don't want to?
Never now.
Oh, you're going home.
At 12.
I'm going home.
Look at all this stuff. And the glare of this. Whoa! Big old tree limb in the yard.
Jeez.
Yeah, I got it. I'm videotaping of it. It's a big old tree. Mom, hurry, this dude's waiting. It's a big old tree limb down, uprooted in the middle. Like tree, whatever. In the middle of the street. In the middle of the street. Wow, look at this. Look what we got up here. Wow. It's extremely bad.
Dude, will you
Move, I'm trying to get down.
Well, gosh, you've got everything.
I'm not getting out.
Look at this beautiful massive structure.
Hang on. Was it bad? Extremely pretty bad. House in there.
It should have said, I'm like, you won't take me alive.
Shade me. Wow. Yeah, because Melissa and them live right over here. Hi, Josh, move.
More houses.
So she wants.
Cars.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
We're storm chasers.
Yeah!
Look at that big one.
Big. There's a big old tree down here. Wow.
Oh my gosh, they're driving on the wrong side of the road.
So?
Oh, I didn't been recording.
Oh my god. Really? It's a big old tree limb down there. I just saw a flash of lightning.
That was my camera, Joshua. Get that back. I'm gonna take it away from you.
There's a big old tree limb down here. I hope y'all like it, because it is very precious. That's all I can get of it. Well, yeah.
I just seen more flashlight of lightning.
And
And this is the end of my slideshow. Bye.
But I've been going for 9 minutes.
Let's watch it.
I've been going for 9 minutes, so let's watch mine.
Huh? Let's watch one.
Really? It's a big old tree limb down there. I just saw a flash of lightning.
That's my camera.
Bye.